Hello there, I'm Shiru and I'm Cluelocked. Follow me on my road to max with my Chirin. Please. What? Oh no! I can't. Yo, what is this for a master clue? I never really explained Cluelocked, so here you have it simple. When I get a clue scroll, I have to do this clue. Steps I can't do, I'm forced to do this clue step. So this leads to longer grinds, and example will follow in the video. Those are my stats. I thought the first version of this video was boring. Since I had no master clue, I was free to go. Instead of showing you the boring part, we skip a big skilling part and my stats increased. As you can see, the biggest jump did construction. Now, let's have some highlights of 46 levels.
Collection log slot completed.
Woo! Nice, first chest of the day and I get a log, oh my god.
Collection log slot completed.
We still try to get a complete set, but not this time. Oh, not again!
Collection log slot completed.
It's a log, but I don't need it. The plank sack is one of my favorite items.
Collection log slot completed.
Not really excited, just a placeholder in my bank. I also finished the medium combat tier.
Collection log slot completed. Collection log slot completed.
With 81 construction comes the time to upgrade my house. Having a fairy ring in here is great. This box holds now infinite teleports to all those places. My favorite teleport so far is the Farming Guild one. At this point, it's time to thank my only active group member, Slin. He gifted me 10 stamina pots to upgrade my pool and will sometimes assist me with certain things like these. This is the second final version of this pool. The only thing it does not do is healing my hit points. It's time to complete the Grandmaster quest and I'm going for Song of the Elves. Yeah, let's kill the final boss.
Dying on my hardcore Ironman completed. Dying on my hardcore Ironman completed. Dying on my hardcore Ironman completed.
Ah, first try, baby. And here, I'm finally here, entering Prifdina's. First time ever being here.
Quest completed. Collection log slot completed.
I'm trying to get the Pharaoh Scepter and that gives me 78 thieving. And yeah, just like I said it, I need the Pharaoh Scepter and I got it. With 78 thieving, close to 79. Open the easy. Hard. Easy. 79 farming. Why do I hear boss music? There are many reasons to be at the gauntlet. Mainly for the crystal seeds that provide the Bofa and crystal armor. There is also a 1 in 20 chance of an elite clue. This could put a lock on my account. And yes, speaking of the devil, an elite clue, like I said, not that really uncommon. Alright, elite casket.
Collection log slot completed.
Okay.
Collection log slot completed.
And yeah, of course, there's also this seed, the crystal weapon seed. This seed is mostly useless, so we really don't want to get them. Yes, complete the corrupted gauntlet 10 times. Yay. And the reward, an elite. Well, we finally have our first example of what those grinds can look like. Now I'm on an elite clue step that requires me to get a granite shield, and yeah, there are not many monsters that drop a granite shield. One of those are trolls. I think they are specific frost trolls, I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, I'm just here killing trolls, trying to get a granite shield. Yes! I'm free! And in the loot tracker it shows me that I killed over 380 trolls, and then I finally managed to get the granite shield. Of course, this wasn't a really long grind, but yeah, it roughly took me 2 hours just for an elite step. And was it worth it? Yikes.
Seriously? Seriously?
And my weekly snake tears for some Herblo XP. Oof. Elite crew scroll. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Alright, we have an elite casket. Maybe third age, please? A mimic! Oh, I'm so scared! Well, it's dead. But I forgot to record it, yeah. Do we have enough space? I hope so. Oof, okay. I mean, 500 blood runes. Thanks, Mimic. Open the chest. 71 smithing. Oh, baby, baby, baby. Woo! Getting better, back to back. Fuck. This better be good. Fucking elite.
It's underwhelming, unfortunately.
80 farming. I still need a second Pharaoh Scepter, so I'm going to get one. Hopefully.
Quest completed.
And with the completion of Monkey Madness 2, I get 82 Slayer, the last Slayer level Neith will ever get me, because rest in peace. And 78 Agility. Don't need it anymore because, yeah, she's dead. And a medium casket for some purple sweets. Wait. I just did the Hespori. Hespori kill count 27 and I got a bottomless bucket again. Look at this log. It's disgusting. It's absolutely disgusting. Well, what do we have here? A master clue. Show this to Sherlock. Seeing this is the worst nightmare I can imagine. I just couldn't handle it. Let's go to Sherlock. And here we have another example for a long grind. I need to kill a spiritual mage, which requires me to get 83 Slayer. Luckily it's only one level, but yeah. 78 defense. And 80 attack. Alright, hard casket for the win.
Collection log slot completed.
Hard casket. Hard casket. Another hard casket.
Collection log slot completed.
Alright, we have another hard casket. And the reward.
Collection log slot completed.
Okay. Alright, we finally finished our Slayer task. And I got 6 brimstone keys. And if you just look at the loot, I mean, it's crazy. It's definitely crazy. We got 6 brimstone keys from 211 necreals. And we got 4 hard clue scrolls, which ended up being absolutely trash. But yeah, let's just take a look at the rewards from the brimstone keys. Well, let's just say I'm really not enjoying you, Konar. Your tasks are terrible, and I'm going back to my boy. Sadly, it's a boy. I wish it was a girl. Steve, are you giving me Ankus? It's just such a nice and fast task. Another hard casket. Let's see what we get. And yeah, we are still not level 83 Slayer. And we got another casket. Another hard casket. Alright. I know we have to do Slayer, but hard caskets are the way to go.
Collection log slot completed.
What is that? There is so much wrong in this clip. First of all, I have no reactions of this drop. Second, I didn't record it like fully. And third, I got a 7 KC basilisk jaw. Like, it's mwah. This item is so good, and to get it at 7 KC, those basilisks, I hate those basilisks, and I'm so glad I got it so spooned. Thank you, Jagex. But what does the jaw actually do? Well, you can put it on your nasal node helmet and get a nasal node face guard. And it is one of the best helmets that exist in this game, in my opinion. I say to you, Slayer just gives clue scrolls. And here we have a medium and a hard clue. So yeah, keep on going, still chasing 83. 91 hit points. Another level from Gargoyles, 79 defense.
Collection log slot completed.
And finally, 83 Slayer. We are done with the first goal of this clue. And the demonic gorilla's hard casket is just some axe. Spiritual mage done, let's go to Sherlock. Pharaoh scepter, oh nice. Grabbing the ropes that I need. I sadly realized that I need 81 thieving, So I'm just getting a second Ferroceptor while training thieving. I nearly screamed in the train. Yeah, I got the Ferroceptor while on mobile, and yeah, I was really excited. Since I have 2 Ferroceptors now, I never have to do Pyramid Plunders again. So it's done, and yeah, I'm doing thieving now the easy way with Ardo Knights. And I can tell you, this is way quicker. Getting rid of the double agent. And another step. Easy. Getting puzzle boxes is the best. No requirements, just easy, fast done with the plugin. And yeah, they can give me puzzle boxes all day long. Cool, we have 3 steps now. Flexing with a Darox axe in front of Gomal. Digging in the rogue's den. And speaking to Lovada. And a new step. My favorite, another puzzle box. And of course another step. Of course it is exciting to enter the wilderness. I try to have the best wildy setup so I don't get killed. I'm lucky, I'm getting another puzzle box. So let's just do it here in the wild. Hopefully and certainly we're not getting attacked, right? Oh mein Gott. Nice. Oh mein Gott. Weg von hier. Mehr Hands. Geht's gar nicht. Okay. These are my levels now. We could go on for more, but if I'm honest, I really want to release this video. I have so much more to show you in the future video. Be sure that you subscribe and don't miss it. Thanks for the like guys, and see you next time.